We are doing our best to really dissect both tumor intrinsic and extrinsic changes that occur in these animals, which have been very nicely able to recapitulate and be faithful to human disease. We're still far from understanding a lot about Richter syndrome biology. We still need a lot of functional validation of the many recurrent events that have been discovered in human genetic studies. So I think we are a few years away of really understanding what is the cell of origin of this disease, how early can we intervene to avoid or delay or cure potentially or treat patients before they have fully transformed. So we do know that T cells and T cell exhaustion facilitates transformation. At the same time, we don't know which molecular drivers on the tumor cells may even further facilitate changes in the oncogenic circuitry. We don't know much about the epigenetics, and this is something that we're heavily investigating in my lab at the moment.